सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 261। निर्विकल्पकमनल्पमक्षरम् यक्षराक्षरविलक्षणं परम् नित्यमव्ययसुखं निरञ्जनम् ब्रह्मतत्त्वमसि भावयात्मनि। Shankaracharya, continuing the topic of Nididhyasanam. One of the important sadhana to assimilate the teaching every student has to remember this sadhana. Therefore, Shankaracharya is spending lot of time in many shlokas. Tatu Brahma Tvamasi iti bhavaya. Bhavaya means you meditate upon. You contemplate upon. You contemplate upon what? That Brahman you are. How many of us we are contemplating from last Sunday to this, today, up to today? Shankaracharya asking us, Bhavaya, Bhavaya. Am I doing that sadhana? Aham Brahma Asmi. I am the original consciousness, all-pervading consciousness I am. Dayananda Swamiji always tells, fake it and make it. It is false only. I am telling to myself, I am OC. I am original consciousness. I am not yet convinced. It is fake only. It is unreal only. I have not yet established in Brahman. Still, the more you remember, the more you say repeatedly, I am Brahman, I am Brahman, I am Brahman. That Deha Abhimana, Sthula Sharira Abhimana, Sukshma Sharira Abhimana slowly will reduce. Once I say this statement, Sthula Sharira Abhimana will reduce, Sukshma Sharira Abhimana will reduce, means people will get doubt. Swamini, then can I interact properly with the people? Is it possible to do my duties? It is very much possible. Then, really speaking, you are a better wife, better mother, better if you understand this fact. You act, you will never react. Shastra's intention is to make all of us a better mother, better father, better daughter, better mother-in-law, better human being. A better human being can play all the roles in a better way. Try to understand. We have to understand this. Shastra is not teaching something impractical, something, logical things and all. Shastra talking. Never think like that. Shastra intention is only one thing. Making every human being as a better human being. The best human being. The best human being is one who brings the divinity within, in whom the divinity manifests more. He is the best human being. Another thing, never expect any supernatural powers by study of Shastra. Nothing will happen. You are as it is. And your thinking pattern will change towards you and towards the world. When I know I am Brahman. What type of Brahman I am? Nirvikalpam. I am a divisionless consciousness, my real nature. This nama, a particular nama, name, particular form, only to interact with the world. Really speaking, I am a divisionless consciousness, Chaitanyam. The Atma Swarupam. So these divisions are all incidental. Husband role came recently, 30 years back or 25 years back. Wife role came recently. Mother role came also like that only. Every role came in time. Therefore they are called incidental. I am intrinsic. From childhood I am intrinsic. So whatever incidental is called agantukam. Agantukam, that which comes in time, is not my real nature. Agantukam, that which comes. That's a wedding anniversary day you conduct. Agantukam. But whereas I am is not agantukam, that is swarupam. So the agantukam and swabhavikam. Agantukam opposite swabhavikam. That's why you have to always analyze. I am here. This is swabhavikam. Then only relations. All are agantukam. Motherhood, wifehood, daughterhood, fatherhood, sonhood, all hoods. That's why problem. That's why hood is there, Mother-in-law hood, more problem. Boss hood. The more hood is there, the problem. Be as I. That is swabhavika. That is tat, that Brahma, Tvamasi. That swabhavikam, swarupam, nirvikalpakam, I am. Chollinde irkanum. Then analpam. When there is no divisions, naturally there is no limitation. There is no limitation. Alpa means limit, finite. As I am, I have no limitation. As a wife, I have limitations. As a mother, I have limitations. As a wife, what limitation? So many limitations, You ask husband, he will tell. What are limitations you have now? Same way, husband also having limitations. And the wife knows what limitations he has got. So that's why in front of others' angle, from others' eyes, if I see myself, I am a wife from my husband's angle. I am a husband from my wife's angle. So angle will begin. Once the angle start, all angularities will start. That angularity is only the problem, That's why analpam. I do not know this, I do not have this. Always limitation. As I have no any limitation. I am very happy with myself, I am happy with myself. When I compare from others' angle only, all limitations start. My sorrow will begin. So if I own up, I am Atma Swarupam, I am Analpam. Therefore, no limitation for me. What? Ananda. No one can give Ananda, no one can take our Ananda. Understand? Our Ananda is our Swarupam. Just recognize that Swarupam. Ananda, no one can give. It is not a thing to be given by other people, by situations also. I am Analpam. Then Aksharam. I am the Aksharam, imperishable. Imperishable means here that Kutastham anartham. Kutastham means beyond that also we can take. Akshara means that Akshara Brahma in Mundakopanishad we saw. Akshara means that which will never perish. Body will perish, the RC will perish, OC will perish, everything will perish, but I, the consciousness, continues. These parts, big part, big space, small part, small space, small part in small space. What will not perish? Part will perish. The space in the part will not perish. Once I break this part, space is not available for transaction. Can you say there is no space? You cannot say. Similarly, all these parts, all these bodies parts, when they go away, space is not available for interaction. Space is not available for transaction. Similarly, even though the transactable condition body goes away also, I remain as it is. As it is, no teacherhood, no studenthood, no wifehood, no fatherhood, no motherhood, no hood at all. So therefore, Swamini, appo hood illamale poganuma. You cannot enjoy. Therefore, have a hood and understand you have no hood. This is the beauty. Understand? You need not destroy the hood. You need not destroy the pot. But if you destroy the pot, you cannot enjoy the space. If you destroy the walls, how can you use the hall? Where you sit? Drizzling comes, where you sit? You cannot use the hall. So what you have to do? Recognize the value of the space, utilize the walls, interact. This is the intelligent way of living. People think moksha odanjiri poidnu avladha venda. That's why moksha ipo puriyarda. The more faster you recognize, the more you can enjoy with this body. Enjoy means not khavo pivo maja karo. Enjoy means you can know the greatness of that Atma Swarupam, Brahman. I am. How the glory of the Atma in this body, its functions, its manifestations in many ways. What a beautiful, wonderful this is. Try to understand that. Yet kshara akshara vilakshanam. That's what we are seeing. Akshara akshara means manifestation. Whatever is manifested is called kshara. That which will perish in time is called ksharam. The manifest gross matter, vyakta chetanam anartham. This is vyakta chetanam. Aksharam is avyakta chetanam. Aksharam, avyakta chetanam, unmanifest matter. Either matter manifest or unmanifest doesn't matter. Okay? I am vilakshanam. I am different from the manifest matter and unmanifest matter. How to know? Well, in Jagrata Avastha, I am manifesting matter. In deep sleep, unmanifest. I am the witnesser of manifesting the Vyavaharika Prapancha activity. I am the witnesser of avyakta, unmanifest. That is called aksharam. This is ksharam. Kshara akshara. Who am I? Uttama Purushaha. I, the consciousness, is the witnesser of kshara prapancha, akshara, unmanifest karana prapancha in deep sleep. Am I there or not? Without any experiences. Yes? Without any experience. But you cannot talk there. To talk, what you require? You require medium. Therefore, after getting up, what do you say? Aham sukham aswapsam kinchit na avedisham. I do not know anything, I slept well. Who slept well? Tell me. Who is talking? I, the OC, through the body I am talking. Is it not? But you cannot explain this in the deep sleep. Vilakshanama illaya? Akshara, akshara ke vilakshanam. I am different. Who is experiencing the kshara? Who is experiencing the akshara? Therefore I am uttama purushaha. Beyond the Sankhya Purusha node nam uttamam. Avanna Purushan sollitar. Atma is Purusha for him. We say I am uttama Purusha. That's why in Sanskrit also, for first person ki uttama Purusha. You know, I am, aham, I am enna uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha enduku theriyuma? Everybody thinks, you know, he is uttaman. Adukku da uttama Purusha. So, I am vilakshanam, param. Vilakshanam means I am beyond, param means supreme. I am the greatest. Uttama purushastvanyaha paramatmet yudahritaha param yoloka trayamavishya vivartavye ishvaraha. The beautiful chapter, 15th chapter, the highest teaching in the comes in that 15th chapter. Namakena pasida varum adi padicha. Before bhojanam we do that, no? Actually speaking, that is Purushottama Yoga. Third line, Nityam Avyaya Sukham Niranjanam. Who am I? I am Nityam, eternal. Shastra says, Yatra nanyat pashyati nanyas shrunoti sabhuma. Suppose if a person sees other than Atma, he is an unfortunate person. That Chandogya Upanishad in 7th chapter, Yatra nanyat pashyati nanyas shrunoti nanyat vijanati sabhuma na alpo sukhamasti. In this alpam, there is no sukha. In this kshara and akshara, there is no sukha. Then Purushottama only there is sukha, real sukha. Therefore, I am Nityam, eternal. Avyayam, declensionless, no Vyayam. Body has got declension. Mind, Sukshma Sariram has got declension, and the decay is there, always changing. Whereas I, the consciousness, from childhood, who is the witnessing the childhood? Same. Who is the witnessing the adulthood? Same. Who is witnessing the old age? Same. Who is witnessing everything is same person. So, really speaking, I am Avyayam. But all this Vaya happening to the body, Sariratrayam. But what is the problem? This is as though covered and I have taken that as real. That is the problem. So sort out properly. Avyayam Sukham Vyayas Rahita Sukham anartham. There is no gradation in the Sukha. So what is our problem? When it comes, no, we are working for Sukha, no? Always working for what? Sukha. Once it comes, Poidumemo and Badha. Badha means Dukham. So whenever you know this Atma Swarupam, you will never have a fear in the Sukham Poidumemo and Bhayame irkad. No insecurity and artham. Avyaya Sukham Niranjanam. Anjana means impurity. All impurities are to this body. How many fair and lovely I apply, face powders I apply, all perfumes I apply, so many things I apply. Mala Sahitam this. Mind Chollave Venda Swamini. Fortunately nobody knows. Manasula irukra alukku evvalana. Since I am not this body which is impure, it's because blood, flesh, everything is there, filthy matter is there. It's a walking toilet. Ella cover potti mela alaha decoration pannittu varum. This is a walking toilet. Is it not? It's a fact. The mind also. What all thoughts are coming inside the mind? We think we are so compassionate. Suddenly comes from where, and we do not know, anger. Our compassion, everything gone. So impure. Since I am not the Annamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, any Kosha, I am Niranjanam. Niranjanam. By nature, I am very, very pure. What you have to supply? What soap you have to supply to this Atma? Atma Shuddhi Pandanama? Shuddhamada irke. Ninga Ashuddhi Panna Mudiyad. Thank God. Everything we pollute. Except Atma. Except Atma. No one can pollute. Impossible. Niranjanam. Who is that? Tat Brahma Tvamasi. Adigda. I am Niranjanam, I am Avyaya Sukham, I am that Kshara Akshara Vilakshanam, Param, Analpam, Nirvikalpakam. இப்படி சொல்ல வேண்டியது சொல்லாமலே என்ன மாதிரி கஷ்டப்படுறோம் பாருங்கள். ட்ராஜடி. காமெடியாக இருக்க வேண்டிய லைஃபு ட்ராஜடியாக ஆயிடுதுன்னா. And spending decades and decades in that tragedy. Unfortunate. Duradrishtam anna idu mela enna venum duradrishtam? Sollunga. A fag end of the life person comes, suppose. Duradrishtam ella life ella spend panni. Fag end of the life person comes, what he can enjoy. No? That's why from childhood that knowledge should take place. And the childhood in the knowledge varanamanna only one way. Follow Vedic lifestyle. At least take care of your children. Okay? Don't ignore them, please, for God's sake. Don't ignore them. Old days, it's very, very, very minimum time we are going to enjoy this moksha phalam. Let them enjoy at least maximum life of that moksha phalam. Let them enjoy at least. Provide that atmosphere. As a parents, no, this is the big gift what you can give to your children, grandchildren. Do that help for them. It is a great service to your family members and a great service to the Vedas. Next shloka. Shloka number 262. यद्विभाति सदनेकधा भ्रमात् नामरूपगुणविक्रियात्मना हेमवत् स्वयमविक्रियं सदा ब्रह्मतत्त्वमसि भावयात्मनि. For this nididhyasanam, I have to take a separate effort, just as I am taking effort to study scriptures. Lot of effort I am taking. Buying books, coming to the class, all the way. How much effort you are taking? Similarly, the same way you have to take separate effort to assimilate the teaching. The Shankaracharya is very, very, very particular. All our scriptures always recommend this nididhyasanam. All our scriptures. The more you go closer to the nididhyasanam, the more faster you get the jnana phalam. Suppose you have fruits, all pachiya irukka fruits, all raw irukka. What do you do? Pathinde irukano. How can you enjoy? You cannot enjoy. When you can enjoy? When they are ripen, you enjoy the sweetness. Similarly, if our knowledge is like kacha, raw, not giving any sweetness to me, my dukkha is continuing, my limitation is continuing, what happiness? So that jnanam phalam, that's why they say phalam. Jnana phalam. Jnana kaya nu sollala. Puriyadha? ஏன்னா காய் சாப்பிட முடியாது. You cannot eat it all. Jnana phalam. You can enjoy. The phalam only is sweet. The raw will not have a sweetness. Similarly, jnana phalam alone gives the sweet memories, sweet life to you. Sweet and Krishna sweets போகாதுங்கோ. ஆனந்த பவன், கிருஷ்ணா ஸ்வீட்ஸ், ஸ்ரீ மிட்டாய் எல்லாம் ஸ்வீட்டாக இருக்குமாண்ணா. தட் இஸ் நாட் த ஸ்வீட் அட் ஆல். 2 மைசூர் பாக்கு சாப்பிட்டா அப்புறம் வாந்தி வந்துடும். சுகர் இருந்தால் அது கூட சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. பட் திஸ் மதுர ஆனந்த பல ஆனந்தம், ஞான பலம், இம்மென்ஸ், immeasurable. The same I, the Brahman, Aham Brahman, Anekadha Vibhati, appears as many. Why it is appearing as many? Brahmat, because of Brahma. Why the rope is appearing like a stream sometimes in semi-darkness? Same rope appearing as a garland, mala. Same rope appearing as a bhuchidram, a crack on the floor. Same rope appearing as a snake. Anekadha. அது கூட இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணேன். பாத்ரூமில் இருக்கு இல்லையா கீசர், அந்த வயர், வாட்டர் கீசர், அதனுடைய வயர், அது பார்த்து பாம்பன் நினைச்சான். அநேகதா ஏன் பிரம்மா. கிளியர்? That's what he says. Yat vibhati, whatever is appearing. Vibhati means appearing, manifesting in front of me with many names and many forms with whom I am interacting. Yat vibhati, that which shines, that which is appearing. What is that? Sat eva. Sat, that Sat Brahman, pure existent principle alone, anekadha vibhati. Anekadha vibhati. Very simple example if you want to understand this. Sat anekadha vibhati means, a very simple example way I will try to communicate. Otherwise very difficult. These are all having lot of depth. Enna sat anekada vibhati, enna priyum? We have to come down to our understanding. What is that? I am. That is called sat anekada vibhati. நான் இருக்கேன் ಅನ್ನೋದು சத். நான் இருக்கேன் ಅಂತ சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம்தான் வைஃபா இருக்கேன், ஹஸ்பண்டா இருக்கேன், தம்மாவா இருக்கேன், அப்பாவா இருக்கேன். இந்த இருக்கேன், அந்த இருப்புதல், அந்த எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ட், ஐ ஆம், அந்த ஆம் தான் சத். கேன் யூ டாக் without that am? Tell me. Who are you? And என்ன சொல்லுவேன்? I am so and so. சொல்றோமா இல்லையா? Without starting I am, are you able to give the answer? No. That I am, then all names and forms. That is called Sat, இருப்புதல். நான் இருக்கேன். எப்படி இருக்கேன்? பொண்ணா இருக்கேன், டாட்டரா இருக்கேன். I am daughter to my mother. Yes. As a daughter I am. My son has come suddenly. How are you now? I am as mother. Now you are all in the class. How are you? I am student. நான் ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருக்கேன். இது மேல ஈஸியா சொல்ல முடியாது, எனக்கு சொல்ல தெரியாது. ஓகே, அதுதான் சது அநேகதா விபாதி. யத், why it is appearing? Brahmat. Brahmat, because of Brahma it is as though real we are giving. What we have to say? Sat, 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 sat alone is there, nothing else. The reality is in Sat. The reality is not in name and form. Part is. The easiness is the swabhavika, eternal, pure existence. Then part is that easiness-nuடைய appearance. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்? அந்த ஈஸினஸ் கோட்டை விட்டுட்டோம் இல்லையா? இந்த பாட்டு பிடிச்சிருக்கோம். பாட்டு 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 பாட்டுனா, அரே பாட்டுனது ஈஸினஸ் தான். தட் ஈஸினஸ் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். சத்யம் ஞானமனந்தம் பிரம்ம. அந்த சத்யம் இஸ் நாட் ஸ்பீக்கிங் ட்ரூத். சத், எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ். நவ் ஹூ am I? I am existent principle with vividha nama rupa. Otherwise what you will say? You take the nama rupa real and this existence இருக்கவே தெரியாது. என்ன மிஸ்டேக் பண்றோம் பாருங்க. எல்லாம் பிரம, டெல்யூஷன், ஒரே கன்ஃபியூஷனோ கன்ஃபியூஷன். Shastra padichada, in the clarity of thinking will come. This is the truth. This is the fact. Thinking people alone can understand this. Non-thinking people never understand. Yat vibhati sad anekada bhramat nama rupa guna vikriya atmana. All these are superficial. Nama, name, rupa, form. The part name is artificial, temporary it came. The form also temporary it came. As the form has come, the name has come. How the form has come? Vikriya, the guna. Modification has taken place. Therefore, guna vikriya atmana. Atmana means it's an artham. Endowed with not Sachidananda Atma. This Sat alone is because of our delusion. We are forgetting the Sat and taking this Nama Rupa, that Guna Vikriyas, real. When I show the part, you have to supply to the body. That is my intention of showing the part. Are you following? My intention of showing the part, because I cannot show a person and sit here on my desk. I cannot accommodate the person. So I am keeping the part in the place of a person. Part and that's why I am keeping all the time down. So, this nama, this name, so and so name, so and so form, so vikriya, is guna, it has got attributes, sattva guna, rajo guna, tamo guna, guna sahitam. Why? Physical body is made up of tamo guna, subtle body is made up of rajo guna, and the karana sariram, all these are sattva guna, rajo guna, tamo guna sahitam. Guna, vikriya, modification. Modification ainde irukku illaya? Lot of change, Swamini. That's guna vikriya. These all guna vikriyas are not belong to Atma. I, the Atma. They belong to this Sariram. So therefore, just as he gives the example, Hemavat swayam avikriyam sada. Hema means gold. Gold is, really speaking, it is avikriyam. The nama rupa are temporarily given to that gold. That is, real speaking, it is gold alone. When you are holding the chain, what you are holding? Gold alone. When you are holding the bangle, gold alone. Really speaking, gold is not at all changing. This is a temporary changes. Temporary changes, artificial. Therefore, they need not be reckoned at all. They are not countable. If you count bangle, chain, okay, you take the bangle, I will take the gold. Can you give? No, there is no second bangle or chain other than gold. So you take along with the gold. Along with the gold, what you bring? What you bring? Chain. You are bringing gold alone. You are bringing chain alone to your house. But then what is the problem? Because this gold cannot become the bangle without copper. Okay. Just without Maya, this Brahman cannot become this body. Adida Tagarar. Clear? Without copper, that person, however much you want 24 carats, Amma varadamma, bangle, copper mix pandamale, I cannot melt it, I cannot make it. You have to mix some amount of copper. Then only bangle shape, செயின் ஷேப், அழகா கழுத்துல போட்டி, பாத்தியா பாத்தியா பாத்தியா. பாப்பா இந்த செயின், இந்த பேங்கிள், both are talking. Bangle is telling, chain is telling, see, you are so fortunate. She is putting to your hand and showing to everyone, and she is putting the chain inside me. Nobody looking at me. The chain is thinking. Just imagination, okay? The chain is thinking inside. That always she covers. Suppose she is putting inside, nobody is looking at me. See, she is wearing bangle to your hand, and everybody looking at you. Everybody is praising you. I am very unfortunate. Who? Chain is telling to the bangle. The bangle is telling, you know my kada? This lady always wearing me and always washing and all adiyo adi enakena. Ella cleaning alla idoda vechittu pandran. Alla alukaagradu enakku. All dirt is coming to come. Bangle is crying with the chain is crying with the bangle. Why? They both of them forgotten they are gold. Bangle, chain kada yare. Whose kada? Namma kada. Bangle, chain are not talking. It is our kada. You know, I am very small job. You are in a big post. You are in a rich high post. I am in a small post. In the post problem ella varudana, we have forgotten the real nature. That is the problem. So, Hemavat Swayam Avikriyam Sada, all the time. All the time. The intelligent gold comes, in the ring. Intelligent. One day, somewhere it has gone to a guru. And he has studied Shastra. It comes and tells you, these both are talking and listening this ring. You know, I went to one Swamini and she taught me a lesson. You both of you don't cry. See, I am gold. I am very smaller than you, bangle. I am very smaller than you, the chain. But I have understood my real nature. The ring is telling. To whom? To the bangle and chain. Hey, both of you don't cry. Both of you are one and the same gold. You need not cry at all. You see how small I am? I am very small, but still I have no limitation. Because I went to Shastra. Sunday, Viveka Chudamani class I go. Nalla irke kada? Next shloka. Yechekastyana param paratparam param paratparam pratyagekara samatmanakshanam satyachit sukhamanantamavyayam Brahma tattvamasi bhavayatmani. So this seeing the plurality is the mental condition. The mental condition. Whether this plurality is persecuting me or this plurality, what I am seeing, different. Plurality means many forms, many names, duality in many ways. This plurality, the whole Jagat, whether it is persecuting me, troubling me, or this plurality is a vibhuti, depend on whom? Me. Not Mamiyar. Okay. No one can persecute me. Even the whole plurality in the world, I can see the vibhuti of that Atma Tattvam. You can see the glory of Atma Tattvam if you understand. If you don't understand, if you don't study Shastra, this plurality persecute me, exploit me, hijack me, threatens me, keeps me all the time under threat. Very, very, very torturous that is. Very torturous. That's why intelligent, mature people whose punya has come to the pakvam, no, they can never withstand with this, no. That's why called Tivra Mumukshutvam. I cannot withstand with this ignorance, even a second also. That is called Tivra Mumukshutvam, not a casual study. As the time being, time pass, madri popcorn சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கல right trainல. அது மாதிரி people are studying Shastra like a popcorn. Time pass study of Vedanta, they are not Tivra Mumukshus. Tivra Mumukshu is one who understands the problem is inside that, no? The boiling in what inside. This ajnana I cannot withstand. Immediately I want to come out of this. That is called Tivra Mumukshutva. Shankaracharya, one place he tells, I think in this Vivek Chudamani itself, a person caught the fire to his hair. No? He caught fire. That fire is going to come to his whole body within fraction of seconds. When the hair is caught fire, there is a Kuvan river, suppose. He will wait. I will wait until I go home. Until I will go home, I will wait. You will collapse. He will never bother what is there another. Somehow he want to survive. He jump in that Kuvam river. This will go away, he will come out later. He will never wait. Adu madri. Okay, don't extend the example. Swamini, I want moksha, that's why I went to that teacher, this teacher and cholladungo. Chuma example kahada. Okay. A person who is having this, Tivra Mumukshutvam, this Jara, Marana, Vyadhi, Vyaghra is coming and chasing me. The fear of death, the fear, everything. When they are coming to me, hell, I think, Swamini, nalla naadu sollunga, oru naadu class ku vare. Eppadi irukke? I will come one day, you keep some muhurtam anna. Yamadharmaraja waiting, what good muhurtam. Eppo, yadahareva virajet, tadahareva pravrajet annar. Eppo manasula vandada appade start panna. Don't think for good muhurtam. Asala and the thought vandadilliyo padikkanamani, adida good muhurtam. Okay? People, no, always plan. After retirement, everything settle and I go to Swamini, ashram. People all are planning. Swamini, you construct an ashram, I will come. And all ashrams are with these people only. Maximum. It's not intelligent way of. Unintelligent people. Ashram, where is ashram? Where you are, there is ashram. Bring the transformation in your mind. Study scriptures. Be thorough with the scriptures. Under the guidance of the Guru. Where you are ashrama. Idhukku ashrama. Ishrama podu. Adi ashrama. அங்கே போய் திருப்பி பிளேட் வாஷ் பண்ண வேண்டியதான். கார்டன் கிளீனிங் பண்ணது எல்லாம் பண்ணணும். தென் அங்கே போய் அதுக்கப்புறம் ஐயோ வீட்டிலன்னு இருந்திருக்கலாம், வீட்டில் இருக்கிற பணம் எல்லாம் கொடுத்தாச்சு ஆசிரமம்ல, இருக்கிற பணம் எல்லாம் கொடுத்தாச்சு இப்போ ஆசிரமம்ல, ஏன் வெளியில் போய் என்ன பண்ணுறது? இதுக்கு எல்லாம் தகராறு இல்லை. இருக்கிற இடத்துலன்னு நல்லா ஒழுங்கா இருந்து படிங்க சமத்தான். ஸோ எத்து சகாஸ்தீன Chakasti means Swayam Jyoti Swarupena Prakashate ityartha. Chakasti. That which shines by itself, self-evident anartham. Chakasti. Very rare usage this is. Then anaparam. Chakasti anaparam, chakasti anaparam. Okay, anaparam, next word. Anaparam means Brahman, the consciousness is that which does not produce any effect, any karyam. We are seeing in the Mandukya, Aidi Brahman, the consciousness will never produce anything. I will never produce. That is called anaparam. Then paratparam, another very important word. In Brihadaranyaka Madhu Brahmanam, this anaparam word comes. That's what Shankaracharya using here. In the Madhu Brahmana, it tells Tadetaram anaparam Brahman. It says this Brahman is anaparam, naparam, akaranam it artha. It is akaranam, causeless. It is not a cause for any effect. Paratparam means, parat means mayayaha. Param means beyond. Beyond Maya is called Parat Param. Beyond Maya. Then Ekarasam. Pratyak Ekarasam Atma Lakshanam. Pratyak means the Brahman is very much in oneself. Pratyagatma Rupena. Pratyagatma. Aham iti. I am. So, as oneself, this Atma is available. Engengiyo odi tedhinran. Gnana Tangamo, Achipichi Tangamo, Yenna Tangamo, Terile. People are all searching outside. Pratyak Rupena, Aham iti Rupena, Aham iti, I am Rupena, Brahman is available. Recognize that. That only Swamini, how to recognize it? Problem. That's the problem. Vipariyaya. No clarity varano. Clarity varano in thinking, the subtle intellect. I am Brahman, that's all. Why I am not able to recognize? I am means I am mixing sthula shariram, daughter, son, house, car, veedu, ellame include panna udane problem undachu. Intellectual கொஞ்ச நேரம் டிட்டாச் பண்ணனா கொஞ்சம் சொன்னா டிசெக்ட் பண்ண அப்படி வச்சுட்டு சார்ட் அவுட் பண்ணனா விட மாட்டான். அப்படி பிடிச்சுன்னு நான் பிரம்மனா கேட்டேன்னு எப்படி அது முடியுமா? Like keeping one leg outside the platform, keeping one leg in the train. போகணுமா சுவாமினி போகணுமா கேட்ட அப்படி ரெண்டு கால் அதில் வச்சுட்டு யூ வில் கோ. அதர்வைஸ் ஹவு கேன் யூ கோ? Therefore, totally dedicate for Shastra. Surrender to Shastra. See that, why not me? Why can't I get that jnanam? Pratyak Paratparam. Tyagaraja song, one written a song, no? Paratpara Parameshwara. Paratpara means Nirgunam Brahma. Parameshwara means Sagunam Brahma. Copper mixed in Ardham. Maya Sahitam Brahma. See that how Nirguna and Saguna both are going together. You see any stotra, any kirtana, everywhere. This is there. You cannot talk about Saguna without Nirgunam. You cannot grasp Nirguna without Saguna. Therefore, enjoy both. Okay? Pratyak, I am very much self, myself. Sajatiya, vijatiya, swagata bheda rahitaha ahamasmi. Then ekarasam. That is ekarasam means I am swagata vedham kuda kadiyadu enakku. Because niravayam, niranjanam, I have no any other secondless I am. Ekarasam means what? Secondless. It is homogeneous consciousness. Then Atma Lakshanam, which is of the nature of Atma. Atma Lakshanam means what? Which is of the nature of Atma. What is that nature? Once again we will remind that shloka. Yadapnoti yadadatte. That which pervades everywhere is Atma. Yadadatte. That which grasps everything is Atma. Yachati vishayaniha. That which grasps that all objects. Adatte means that which receives everything. Adatte means eater, as though eater. Adatte, that which holds everything. Yachati vishayaneha, yachasya santato bhavaha. Whose the existence is there in all the time. Yachasya santataha bhavaha, that which exists all the time. Tasmad Atma Prakirtitaha. Therefore it is called Atma. What is Atma Lakshanam? Since I am the Atma, I am all pervading, I am the receiver of everything, grasper of everything, witnesser of everything, I am the existent principle of everything. Therefore what is my name? Atma. That's why Father gives the name, first name what? Atma, your name is Atma. Vedosi anartham. Veda means there is Atma anartham. Vedaha asi, my dear son, you are Atma. Next word, ekarasam over, Atma Lakshanam over, Sat Chit Sukham Anantam Avyayam. Sat means existent principle. Chit means conscious principle. It is not an adjective. It is a noun. Sat is a noun. Chit is also a noun, not an adjective. Adjective is gunamayadam. Guna is always dravya ashritam. Clear there? Pot exists. Pot you take it as a noun, exist in a gunam. In the madri pot, irikira pot, irikira tanma in adjective. If I say pot is, generally what do? You take the pot as noun. This is from worldly angle. Pot is. எப்படிப்பட்ட பாட்டு இது? இருக்கிற பாட்டு. அந்த இருக்கிற தன்மை என்னது? குணமாயிடும். ஸோ குண திரவிய ஆசிரிதம். திரவியம் வந்து பாட் ஆயிடும். இதுதான் we have to make ulta. When we have falsified the pot, the easiness is the truth. Therefore, this pot is mithya. And the noun ni adjective item. Potty clay. Potty clay. So therefore, that easiness is the noun. Pot varum poidum, clay kuda poidum. Appo clay is, pot is. The easiness is common. Clear? That easiness is called Satyam. Sat Chit Anandam. In the pot Anandam solladungo. I am Ananda Swarupam. Sat Chit Anandam Avyayam Vyayarahitam. What type of Ananda? My Ananda? Avyayam Ananda. Who is that? Brahma Tattvamasi Bhavayatmani. Atmani means in your mind. Bhavaya. In your mind, you contemplate that I am, that Brahman, who is Anaparam, Paratparam, Pratyag, Ekarasam, Atmalakshanam, I am. More in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.